sea kelp, aijo, aiku. Yes. That's it? We don't need anything else? Huh? No. Should we go on the south one?
Do you wish to continue?
Yeah.
Yes.
Welcome. Please scan your first item.
What you got? Not today.
Huh?
We don't have a reward, so you gotta read it.
Not
We
today?
don't have a reward thing, so not today.
Oh, this is only if we have a rewards? Is that okay?
I don't know if that's why it's asking.
Okay. Right? Huh? Yeah. We are here at the park by the lake or at the lake. It's very hot today. There's a few people here fishing, a few kids. It's Friday. I'm under a shady tree. Are you okay? You almost... I thought you were gonna fall over. I'm standing under a tree because it's so hot out in the open.
Have a good afternoon. Yeah, you too.
Let's go to the gas station.
I think that's the weed.
They look like the
It comes-
one that grows in the
Aquariums.
aquariums.
Yeah, that's how it gets in there. It's washed in.
You think?
Yeah.
This is what that guy with that.
Yeah, with the thing. That's the Egeria densa.
Yeah,
stuff
the
that they
Aquarius.
Take, yeah, that they take out.
That machine.
They took out.
What do you think is the temperature right now? 90?
I'm gonna say 82, 85.
I don't think so. It's more like in the 90s. 84 degrees right here. With no breeze.
Now it's saying 87.
Now it's just 87. Huh?
The park right there.
Oh yeah. There's a fish right here. It's a big
Look,
fish.
he's got a little fish swimming right in front of him. The bluegill. It's staying right next.
All the big fish here.
And there's a bass there too. think they are because it's a decent sized bass. But
They're all over here.
yeah, something here they're eating.
It's the weeds. Whatever is under the weeds. I don't want to go too far. It's getting too hot. We are on our morning walk and this pond is normally full, but as you can see, it is now dry. It's like it gets like this every summertime. It gets dry for a little bit, even more dry than this. But even more dry than this, but then look at all those birds out there. But then they fill it up. Gets filled up with water again. What's that? Solar panels over there. Okay, we're here in the middle of the day. It's about 12 noon and it is about 81 degrees. So not as hot as yesterday, but we're going towards the lake. So it's not a very long walk. Even though there's barely any shade, there's people out here with their kayak because we're going to the river, not the lake. It's a river and there's a few people getting ready to do kayaking on the river. There's somebody up ahead. Looks like they have a kayak also. See what the water is like. I wonder if it's clear. Last time it was a lot of debris in the water. Huh?
When it gets hot, the weeds.
Just had to make sure that the path is clear. This place is known for what do you call that kind of snakes?
Snakes. I think they have rattlesnakes. I mean,
Rattlesnakes.
They have rattlesnakes everywhere in California.
Yeah.
This place is famous.
Yeah, they have rattlesnakes. So, is that from the tree? What is that? Oh, it looks like the thing from the fruit from that tree or whatever that is. Are you gonna Google Lens it? Okay, the river's getting close. I don't hear anybody else out here. Somebody else is out here, have their stuff here. Excuse me. Is the water clear? Huh? It's like a green moss. It's a mossy river. Oh my gosh. It looks like the grass. It's like the one by the pond where we go for a walk. How do you even navigate here?
I guess when you get out there, it's open water.
It looks like so many things are growing. A very mossy river.
It's crazy.
Huh? You can't even tell it's a river. You would think it would. See, this is the river right now. Look at it's all moss. Like moss is growing. It's like a carpet of green carpet.
See,
I don't know how the people going for kayak. Oh, there is one there, Bev? Is it videoing?
yes. Jump in.
It's like a sand. It says fishing is not permitted over here off the dock. So you can't go fishing here.
The birds drank all the water.
Huh? Yeah, look at that. It's so dry now. I feel like this is gonna be a desert someday. It's so. Look, this used to have water right there. It's now pretty dry. Yeah, I don't think anybody is doing it well. There are still some people, crazy people like us, coming out here on the middle of the day on a very hot day. Although it's only in the 80s, it's still hot, but you do get a little breeze.